What are you guys doing?
Move it back.
Can you go back to your house?
We didn't like it.
We liked it without you guys here. Go home.
You go home.
I'm home.
You don't live here. It smells like coffee.
Yeah, Gray just made some.
Very serious. Stop it.
Smells like people live here.
Yeah, my house doesn't smell like that.
Look at your room now. Gray has already like turned it in our room. Look at this. We got our little beds. You got Mac's bed, and then we got our stuff over there.
You know I saw it last night, right?
Yeah, I know, but she's got it like fully set up. Nah, he loves it. He loves it. We just had the two like tied together. Not tied together, but zipped together. Zipped.
Zipped. Regardless.
Pretty. Oh, he's getting on it.
Yeah, I don't know why. He gets on it when it's like that. He's not as scared of it.
He probably also knows that like on that floor it'll slide around.
Yeah, it's a lot better on the carpet. It's not like as loud. It's really annoying on the hardwood floors. How was your first night at your place?
We couldn't really sleep.
Really?
It was just like, you know, it's like, anytime you're in a new house, it's kind of like.
Yeah.
And it was.
So you're on the no sleep team.
It was really quiet. So like we were.
You're scared.
We slept for like 3 or 4 hours.
You're scared?
I'm not gonna.
Oh my god, you're scared. What?
There's a monster.
Yeah, you were.
I swear I saw a ghost.
Oh my god. Alright, so it's 12:42. I'm headed right now to meet with my grandpa. He's gonna take a look at my car. If you guys watched yesterday's vlog, my car is making some weird noise. You may be able to hear it right now. It's like a ticking sound. It's really loud. It sucks. So yeah, he's gonna check it out, see what's going on with it. If he doesn't know or can't fix it, then we'll just take it to a mechanic that he knows, or maybe even Toyota, because I do have like a little discount thing here, and it may not be something bad. It may just be a little like fixer-upper thing.
Over here, you say?
No, this tire here, because I can hear it most on my side. I'm worried that Squall put a zip tie on my axle of my car, or whatever it is. It's the axle, right? Or the drive shaft. It makes it spin, and then it goes. And that's kind of what's happening, but I don't think he would do it. I told him, I was like, if you...
see it from there, you have to look under the door.
Okay. I told him, I was like, if you did that, please tell me, because I'm going to have to go and I'm going to pay to get my car looked at. He's so mad.
Drive shaft comes out of the back of the transmission.
You know what the transmission is? I don't see any zip ties anywhere, though.
Look all the way back to the rear end.
I can't turn my head unless I bring my head out. I got a big head. I don't see any. Now we're gonna drive it to hear the noise. It's not doing it when my car's running. There it goes. It's doing the noise. All right, I'm gonna turn it around. See, it's not even doing it as loud. Of course, when I'm trying to show him, it wouldn't be as loud. You hear it? Here, you might have to get in the car with me. I can hear it like ticking. It does it right when I'm starting off a little bit, and it just feels like once I get going, I don't hear it as much.
Yeah, I can hear it a little.
It's loud. It really gets loud, especially if you're in between houses. There, it'll do it really bad. It'll do it a lot worse than that.
Let me drive.
All right. I want to climb over the top of one of those things so bad.
No, don't you?
Scary. Probably really illegal too.
Oh yeah, it's federal offense.
That would be so fun though. See, it sounds like the wheel's gonna fall off almost. We came to see the mechanic. I went in there, told him what was going on. Now he's got a free spot, and I'm gonna pull it right here into the garage. See what's going on with my car. Cool. That's screwed.
Because they done talked about doing that. Reckon this is actual miles on this thing?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
2,748 miles.
Yeah.
It's not a lot. It's not a lot.
It ain't done. He didn't even get it broke in.
We bought that in the Philippines when he was stationed in the Air Force, right?
Oh God.
We bought it in
That
the
looks fun to
Philippines,
ride.
Had it shipped from Japan to the Philippines.
Oh shit, this is This is a clean motor then.
Yeah.
Son.
This is the screw. This is the screw that caused me all of this trouble. Right there, look at it. The head was getting wore away just because it was getting like wore down being on the road. Pretty much done now. He's getting the tire back on and we can head out.
Look, crop circles.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, it was, wasn't it? I seen like the indentions in it. There's somebody had carved something into that, or aliens maybe, who knows. All right, so my car is fixed. No more sound, as you can tell. It was like 30 bucks, which if I'd have took that to Toyota, they'd have probably tried to get me to buy a new tire and charge me like 200 to 100 bucks, something like that. So that was good. I rode for about a minute down the road right after I stopped recording and started getting the sound again. So it wasn't the screw, I guess. We're going back. I think we got it fixed now. It was something with the brakes. He took the brakes off and it was like a shim or something in there. He said he tightened it up and it was just rattling in there. Car, what are you doing? It's literally doing it again. Hear it? We drove around, like I got the mechanic in the car, we drove around down the road twice. The second time it was like, it stopped doing it, wasn't making the noise. We got a little bit of ways again, and it started doing it again. So I guess we're gonna turn back. We're gonna just run into Walmart. This is frustrating. It's the third time I've been there today now. So he said it's nothing to worry about, just a noise. It's just like shaking in there, so I'm just gonna deal with it. He said I could get new brake pads and that would probably fix it, but my brakes are good for another like 40 or 50,000 miles, so not spending 200 bucks today. I'm just gonna deal with an annoying sound. Sit. Sit. So I can smack you in the face. Sit. Hush. You can't bark. Daisy's like, what's going on? What's going on? Mac's like, hit me in the face. Get it. Where are you going? You going to your new little bed? You like it in here? Do you like it in here, Mac? Yeah. You shouldn't tear that up. I'm gonna whip up a smoothie quick because it's fast, easy, and I'm starving. I'm trying a little different mixture this time. I've got orange juice is like the juice to like get it to blend up, because you have to add some kind of like water or cranberry or orange juice, something like that that's actually liquid to get it to blend up right, or else it'll like make like a pocket down here in the blender and it won't blend it up. So I've got the orange juice. I may put a little bit of cranberry depending on how it blends up. Then I've got the bag of mixed fruit with all that stuff in it, strawberry, peach, mango, pineapple, and the cherry berry blend. And then I added spinach. We didn't have any greens. Like we had a bag of like a bunch of mixed greens and that went bad. We're like completely out of vegetables actually. And then I looked in the freezer and I found booyah, which I haven't eaten in a while, chopped spinach. So I added spinach to the smoothie. I don't know how it's gonna taste, but we're gonna find out. I like showing you guys smoothies because I keep getting tweets of like, oh my God, Ty, you made me want a smoothie so bad. Like I've been eating one of these, and same with Gray, like every single day. Mostly, the thing I want to do though is have, I want to kind of switch to doing less fruit. I want to switch to doing we eat a lot of fruit in them though, which is not a bad thing, because I know people will be like, oh, it's bad because it's sugar, but at least it's natural sugar. It's not aspartame or freaking fake sugars or crappy sugar for you. It's still sugar, but it's natural sugar, which I'm content with eating. Like I'm not worried about gaining weight or anything like that, and I do need a little bit of sugar. I need some sugar in me. My goal with eating healthy is I would just like to eat natural stuff that comes from the ground, the earth, not stuff that we make ourselves. And I'm gonna start out, sometimes I switch between smoothie and juice, just because juice blends it up really good. I think I'm gonna do juice first. Okay, I gotta go. It made the air pocket, so I've gotta like stir it up a little bit. The blade gets to like spinning and the fruit like all sticks to the side, so there's nothing for it to catch on. Just mix it up a little bit. Definitely gonna have to add some more juice, for sure. I'll put a little bit of cranberry, why not? Alright, let's see if it works now. Oh yeah. Oh man. This is a really good blender, but it does that sometimes where you just have to stir it, which isn't a big deal. Once it gets going and you get it like blending, it blends. This thing can blend iPhones. The company's Blendtec. They actually sent us this blender a while back ago, so shout out to them again. We use this thing so much. Seriously though, a blender, good investment. This is looking really good. Look at this. It's like pinkish red, and there's a lot of like green little bits in it.
Ah.
So good. It's orangey, so you may not like it, but I love it. There's 1 glass down. I think I'll probably drink like another 2. Normally in the mornings I'll drink about like 2.5 glasses normally. Sometimes 3 depending on what else I eat with it. Gray knew this already, but I've just discovered that Mac like actually, oh my god, that was a big yawn. He actually knows the word hungry. See, look at his ears. They perked up when I did that. Watch, I'm gonna say a bunch of different random words. Chicken, foot, towel. Hey, shh. You're not supposed to get excited. It's because I already said the word. I was doing a video and he's excited. He knows we gotta get fed. Fridge, chicken, dishwasher. Hungry? See? He knows that. He perked up. Are you hungry? Huh? Okay. We're getting food. We're getting food. Go on. Here. Let's get your food. Check it out. It's right here. Look at all that. Don't you wish you could have all that? Oh, yeah. Look at that tail wagging. You get 1 scoop of it. There you go. That's what you get to eat. That's yours. He's licking his lips. Oh, yeah. You hungry? The reason he knows it is because every time when Gray's about to feed him, and I guess I say this too, are you hungry? We like ask him, are you hungry? Are you hungry? Here you go. Good boy. Straight eating. Let's do it. Here we go. Oh man, a hat fell in the sink.
Your arm. That would have burned you.
Don't do
Badly.
that.
Right.
Don't burn me, please.
I'm gonna get a haircut.
Every time you've done
There's
this,
not a lot of
I'm always worried that you're gonna burn me. Alright, so I'm gonna flat iron my hair. I wanna see how long it is. I think it looks funny when it's flat ironed. And I kinda wanna see myself with flat iron hair and a beard like this right now. Because my hair is getting long. I got hat hair though, is that gonna matter? It won't, right? Because it heats up.
I don't think so. Actually, I can use my hair tie.
Oh
You
my
got
god.
A little bun going on here.
Oh yeah, I'm close to the man bun. I could do a full one soon.
I mean, I don't mind it.
I need to set the GoPro somewhere.
I'm sorry ahead of time if it gets hot.
Please don't burn me. Oh god, that was a pulled hair, but it felt like it was a sting. Just because I thought I was like expecting a sting. Please, really don't burn me though.
I'm gonna try not to, just don't freak out.
My hair is gonna be so long.
Not really that much.
Ow.
Longer. Sorry.
No, I'm telling you, man, my hair is so wavy that it just gets fluffy.
Because your hat hair, it's going straight but sticking out.
Is it messed up because of hat hair? Really?
It's cool, we'll figure it out. We'll figure this out.
It's gonna look ridiculous.
Oh yeah. Oh, there she is.
Daisy's excited, Mama's home. Oh my god, does it already look ridiculous?
Hey guys! That's not even necessary.
Because he is my closest friend.
Oh my god, this is gonna look funny. You can do a lot more than that.
Can I do
Look
this?
at those hairs.
That's more
That's called
beard.
kinky curls.
That's beard hair.
Ew,
That would
imagine
hurt.
burning or straightening your beard.
Oh my god, that would look
Ew.
funny. Oh,
Don't
that scared
freak
me.
out.
Too close.
You touched me. You touched me a
Just
little
forget
bit.
it. It ain't worth it.
No, but you gotta get it right there one time. Look, this one.
Hey, where'd
I
you
would
get that
burn
flat
myself.
iron?
It's mine.
That thing's like from the ancient years. The thing still works?
Yeah.
What do you guys think? Straight? Curly. Straight? Curly. Oh my god, look how long my hair is.
It's not
That is
very
ridiculous.
even.
I love how it feels though, flat iron. It's
Okay,
so
wait,
smooth.
you're dragging hairs down.
It looks stupid, but I like it at the same time.
I like the bun, to be honest. I dig that look. I'm not gonna lie. I dig it. I dig it a lot.
Gray likes it. You guys are gonna have to deal with it.
Oh, that's sweet.
I like it too. What are you talking
Oh. Gray likes it. You have to deal with it. I like it. You still have to deal with it.
about?
Oh, that's a cute wave in the front. I like
Johnny
it.
Bravo.
I like it a lot.
It's the Johnny Bravo wave.
That's a cute wave.
No, it's not.
I think it's cute. Your butt comes up to my tummy.
I could fart on you right now.
Don't! No, stop! You're actually trying. God, I need a glove. The straightening iron gets too hot. Can you get down a little bit? My arms are really tired. Are you guys ready? I really love it.
Straight hair tie.
You need to trim your beard is what needs to happen.
not normally straight. Yeah, my beard looks weird.
I mean, this isn't the best job, but I really have already started burning my fingers, and I'm not really caring that much to get to the roots.
I like when I kind of mess it up a little bit and it's not like super straight, but it just flows better. Like, it's a little too straight. Once it gets a little bit wavy, then it'll be nice. I feel like I'm in a boy band. What do you guys think?
Oh, that one hair sticks out.
Yeah, I'm like emo and in boy band. Yeah, cool. What are you doing?
I don't know yet.
Do a man bun now?
Well, I can't really do much bunnage with
You can.
your head. Because your hair's like layered.
You're doing the sides.
Yeah, a bun is the
you're
whole
trying to
head,
get all
bro.
of it? All of it won't fit in the thing, for sure. I already tried.
Look how cute.
Ow, you just poked me in the eye.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Ow.
Yeah, kiss me,
It looks weird.
I think you look like the dude on that movie.
What?
The
Joe
guy-
Dirt?
No. The guy that's on the movie that's sitting in front of the van, the one, something Into the Wild.
Into the Wild?
Into the Wild.
I don't know that. Oh, that movie. That dude?
You look like that dude. You look like you've been living on the street for a while.
Visiting Alyssa's place again. Dustin's here. Alyssa's at work or something right now. But my grandma, I didn't even know about this. I was over at her house earlier. She wasn't there. She was at work. But she made delicious? I just like slurred there. Delicious cupcakes. And I'm pretty sure these are fresh strawberries from like the strawberry patch. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm taking these. Not all of them, but I'm gonna have one. That's enough.
That one's all melty.
You can have one too, Gray.
Really?
Oh my God, it looks so good. This is like too sweet. In a good way. What is that? What flavor?
Strawberry.
Is it?
Strawberry shortcake type stuff.
This is strawberry.
It's definitely strawberry.
It's good, whatever it is. The icing is always the best part of my grandma's cupcakes. Alyssa has like 50 pair of shoes. That's ridiculous. That is ridiculous.
Like 4. And one of them are hers that she gave to me.
This little cat over here had a rat or something. Where? Right over here.
It went in this bush.
Oh. There it is. What is it? Where's it at?
Baby, you're hurt, aren't you?
Yeah, that cat was about to eat the thing.
It's a rat.
Oh,
It's a rat?
It's a rat.
sweet little
We may have just saved the rat's life.
No, it'll be back if it's hurt.
Oh, there it is. I see it. Whoa, look at that little thing.
It's not even an ugly rat. It looks like it was someone's domesticated rat.
Yes, that seriously looks like a pet rat.
It would explain a lot why it didn't run from the cat if it is a pet rat.
And it's not really running from us. There it goes. Oh, yeah, that cat's been biting at it.
Oh, then it's hurt. That's the problem.
Hey, you're free now, so go ahead.
What do you think we should do?
Just let it go. I think it's not gonna die. Just a little puncture.
A little puncture? That's like a huge puncture. It's a little puncture for you. That's like getting shot for it.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm gonna cry.
Oh God, why'd you say that? The circle of life.
Something needs to happen because either the cat's gonna get it or snakes are gonna be attracted to it.
It's gonna get eaten either way.
Yeah.
Either way, no matter what, that thing's gonna die.
All these birds flying around.
I wanna cry.
Go ahead, little guy. Run into the bushes. Get away from the birds so they don't eat you. He's off. It's just weird to see a rat and it not like run away from you.
Might be a mouse. That looks more
Mouse.
like a mouse. A field mouse.
We went for a bike ride. That didn't turn out too well. It looked like it was going to storm and it was drizzling a tiny little bit. We were going to do a big loop around the neighborhood. We got out to like the main road and we just seen a wall of rain coming at us in the direction we were going to go. So we started heading back to the house and like I was rolling down the big hill laughing hysterically because I was just getting
Look at
pelted
where
with
it's
rain.
dry on your
Look
shirt.
at, my shoes are
Wait,
wet
no,
inside.
look, your armpits are dry for once. It's like the opposite of when you normally sweat.
My shoes are soaked inside.
But you know that was fun.
Aw.
It had to be fun.
Yeah.
It was
That was
scary.
fun.
Like we went down that big hill and like didn't know if we were gonna slide out. Or
I
not.
couldn't even see. Rain just hit me in the eyes. I'm just sitting there laughing like this. Just my eyes
I
go up.
had my hat down real low.
Aww.
Well, my flat iron hair's messed up now. That lasted for a couple hours.
This woman drove real slow behind us to watch us ride in the rain. It's kind of neat.
Listen to this.
Yeah,
My
you need to
shoes
get
are-
naked and put it all in the dryer.
It's the only shoes I have.
Well, don't do that in
Do
front
you
of
have
us.
something we can give him?
Yeah, he's got clothes.
We'll just bring both of y'all's clothes out here and let them change out here together.
I'm probably in the shower now.
I'm just.
And now I'm not changing out here in the garage with Dustin. Sorry,
One of
Dustin.
y'all can change and then the other one go out and then the other one, you know.
Alright guys, thank you for watching the vlog. If you enjoyed it, make sure you click the like button down below. Subscribe to the YouTube channel right there if you want to see more videos like this. I post them Monday through Friday, and I will see you guys in the next one tomorrow. Peace.